The Power of Persistence, is the story of Abraham Lincoln. What does it take to achieve greatness? Is it luck, talent, opportunity, or is it something far more profound, the ability to rise after every fall? A life marked by hardship. His journey began with tragedy. At just 2 years old, he lost his baby brother. By 9, his mother had passed away. At 10, he nearly died when a horse kicked him in the head. At 16, his family was evicted from their home, forcing him to work to support them. Life was not kind. By 23, he lost his job. By 24, his business failed. At 26, his beloved partner died. By 27, he suffered a nervous breakdown. How much loss, how much pain can a person endure before they break? He refused to give in. Defeated again and again. He entered politics, but at 32, he lost his first political battle. At 34, he was investigated by the government. At 38, he lost another election. At 43, 46, and 48, he kept running for office and kept losing. Most people would have given up. Most people would have decided, maybe success just isn't meant for me. But not him. At 54, he lost again. At 56, he tried to become vice president. He received less than 100 votes. At 58, he ran for Senate and lost. 26 years of defeat. And yet, he kept going. The victory that changed history. Then, at 60 years old, after decades of failure, hardship, and relentless setback, he became the President of the United States. The man who failed more times than most people would dare to try, became one of the greatest leaders in history. The true meaning of success. What separates those who succeed from those who don't? Not intelligence, not talent, not luck. It is the refusal to quit. Lincoln's story isn't just history, it's a lesson. Every setback is a setup for something greater. True failure is giving up. Every setback is a step forward. Persistence defines success. So ask yourself, how many times are you willing to rise? Because in the end, success belongs to those who refuse to stop.